Do you want to put some handrails like you see over here? I want to show you step by step how you can do it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a handrail with black pipes. So if you want to do something like this, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can do that. Also, if you want to search on Google and type black pipe handrail, you can see, another designs. But if you want to do something different, you can do the same thing. So for instance, I was looking on Amazon to see if they sell, black pipe. They sell it. So if you want to buy here, I can try to leave it in the video description. So here in this case, they were using it for a shelf. So it looks nice. If you like that style, you can do that. Also, another thing that you're going to need is the pipe hanger. As you can see, the pipe hanger strap, also called like Omega. So you are going to need something like that to hold it in place, so that way you don't have to pass the concrete or do anything like that. So here, as you can see, here on this side, I was doing this and this on this side, so I was putting the strap here, so that way it will stay in place. And now I'm going to show you how I was working on this, so that way you can do the same thing. And you can have your own design very easily. In a couple hours, you can do it very quickly. So now let's start with the video, so that way you can see everything. All right, so now we are going to put the other one, as you can see. So this is pretty simple. All we have to do is just screw it in. Then you put the other one in the other end. After that, we're going to put the elbows. We're going to do the same thing in the other end. All right, so now we're going to try to put these two in the same place. So you do this in order to avoid damaging the thread inside. Now we can twist this to make it tight. And then we can do the same thing in the other end. I think this one is good enough. So we should be good enough. So now we have to put it kind of like this. And it should stay in the same way as the other one. Now we need the longer pipes. All right, we have the piece that was missing. We're going to remove this from here. Let's try the other end. Why it's not working? There you go. Beautiful. Now we do the same thing. The other one. Remove this. And you see here. All right. I'm going to put it here. We should be good now. All right, so we take the measurement. So we have 9 inches. And this is going to be touching here. All right. Nine inches. Mark. And then we're going to use this to hold it in place. So we're going to put it just here, like that. And then we're going to mark here a little bit at the same height as the hole. Make the mark over there. We can take this, we make the hole here, it will be firm, then we can move it up. Same anchors, the long ones that I have here. Anchors. These two, these are amazing. As you can see, they're long enough, you will see how it goes. So usually I run the big machine and then the little machine, and then we should be good. For now, protect your ears. We're going to use these. There you go. Now, put the anchors. We have the same height, 9 inches. Now we can grab the other ones. Put them here. We're going to do the same. Make the mark here. You have the other ones here, here. We should be good. Well, now I have these anchors, but this is not going to fit. So for that, I have this. It has the right size. Okay, now we're going to the other ones. We should be good. So if you remove this, it will make your life easier. Now we're going to put the screws. Now we're going to do the same thing. One here, one here, holes.